All right, guys, so this is like part 2 of our smoked salmon. We had to pop in the freezer for a little bit because we had to get our smoker ready to go. But here we are Thursday. You can see that when we put it in there, we had a ton of salt and seasoning and stuff, but there's no liquid. This is all of the liquid that came out of the salmon. You can see the salt here. So again, that's like a pretty cool way that the salt reacts with the fish. Some of the salt got pulled back into the meat of the fish, and that's what makes smoked salmon a salty thing. We don't want it to be too salty. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna get rid of all of this moisture. And you can see that white stuff. I don't know what that's called, but that's like a byproduct of the fish. It looks gross, but no big deal. So I'm just gonna take these nice fillets, plop them down here, rinse out our container real quick. And then we do want to rinse the salmon. You have to be careful about cross-contamination here. You don't want this water splashing all over the place. But I think probably at this point with all the salt, it's probably pretty safe from a bacteria standpoint.
Safer than going outside.
That's right. So we just want to give it a little rinse. I'm going to put it back into the pan. And both of the fillets are going to go back into the pan. And we'll cover them with a little water. Right now it is almost 6 o'clock and we're gonna start smoking it around 8:30. So we're just gonna soak it in some fresh water for a couple hours. Just again, like we want it to be salty, but not overpoweringly salty. So put it back in here. Just give it a little bit of water to kind of soak out the excess salt. And we'll be back probably tomorrow morning or later tonight when all the smoking has been done.